Welcome to the serene world of yoga. Yoga is more than just physical exercise. It is a journey to a peaceful mind, flexible body, and a stress-free life. The beauty of yoga lies in its accessibility. Anyone can start, regardless of age or fitness level. Yoga combines breathing techniques, physical postures, and meditation. These elements work together to improve flexibility, enhance mental clarity, and relieve stress. In this guide, we will explore 6 essential poses. Each pose is designed to improve flexibility and manage stress. Let's begin this beautiful journey into the world of yoga. Sukhasana, or easy pose, is often the starting point for many beginners. It is a simple seated position that helps you connect with your breath and center your mind. To perform Sukhasana, sit on the floor with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Lengthen your spine and relax your shoulders. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Focus on the rise and fall of your chest. This pose is excellent for calming the mind and reducing stress. For beginners, sitting on a folded blanket or cushion can provide extra support and comfort. Breathe deeply and let go of any tension or stress. Tadasana, or mountain pose, is the foundation of all standing poses in yoga. Stand with your feet together, arms at your sides. Distribute your weight evenly across both feet. Engage your thighs and lift your kneecaps. Lengthen your spine and gently tuck your tailbone. Roll your shoulders back and down and keep your chin parallel to the floor. Tadasana improves posture and strengthens the legs and core. Embrace the stability and peace this pose brings. Uttanasana, or standing forward bend, stretches the entire back of the body. Stand in Tadasana, inhale deeply, then exhale as you fold forward from your hips. Let your head hang heavy and bring your fingertips or palms to the floor. Keep your knees slightly bent. Allow your torso to relax and your spine to lengthen. Uttanasana helps relieve stress. Paschimottanasana, or seated forward bend, is a calming pose that stretches the entire back of the body. To perform Paschimottanasana, sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Flex your feet and engage your thighs. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and then exhale as you fold forward from your hips. Reach for your feet, ankles, or shins, depending on your flexibility. Keep your spine long and avoid rounding your back. This pose is excellent for improving flexibility in the hamstrings and lower back. For beginners, using a strap around your feet can help you maintain proper alignment. Let go of any tension and allow yourself to relax into the pose. Ardha Matsyendrasana, or half Lord of the Fishes pose, is a seated twist that promotes spinal flexibility. Sit with your legs extended. Bend your right knee and place your foot outside your left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and twist to the right. This pose stretches the spine, shoulders, and hips. Breathe deeply and relax into the pose. Savasana, or corpse pose, is the final relaxation pose in yoga. To perform Savasana, lie flat on your back with your legs extended and arms at your sides. Let your feet fall naturally outward and relax your hands with palms facing up. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Allow your entire body to relax and melt into the floor. Savasana is essential for stress relief and mental clarity. For beginners, using a bolster under your knees or a blanket over your body can enhance comfort and relaxation. Stay in Savasana for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Embrace the peace and stillness this pose brings. A regular practice is key to reaping the benefits of yoga. Even a few minutes each day can make a significant difference in your flexibility and stress levels. Consistency is more important than intensity. Start with these basic poses and gradually explore more as you become comfortable. Mindful breathing is an integral part of yoga. It helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and enhance physical performance. Deep, slow breaths can transform your yoga experience. Embrace the journey of yoga with an open heart and mind. As you continue your yoga journey, explore additional resources to deepen your practice. Many online platforms offer classes specifically for beginners. Books, videos, and local yoga studios can also provide valuable guidance and inspiration. Establish a regular practice routine that fits your schedule. Morning or evening sessions can set a positive tone for your day or help you unwind. Find a quiet, comfortable space for your practice. Use props like blocks, straps, and blankets to enhance your experience. Enjoy the benefits of flexibility and stress relief that yoga brings into your life.